Hi, I am Yasser Arfat. I am here with another maths video for class 10 CBSE students. I welcome all of you to this video. Coordinate geometry. In this video, we will discuss some important model questions from this chapter. We discussed these four ideas in this chapter. The distance formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square. And if this is a particular case, the second one, that is in distance formula, suppose one of the point is origin. Then you can simplify the formula as square root of x square plus y square. Okay. And then the section formula we studied, and if this is fourth one is a particular case of section formula, that is if the ratio is 1:1, that is the point that is midpoint of the given line. Then the section formula will reduce to x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Now come to this question. Find the distance between the first question. So we can answer here. So we have the distance formula. Can you tell the distance formula? Square root of x2 minus x1 all square plus y2 minus y1 all square, right? Okay. So here there are 2 points. So one point you can take as x1 y1, the second one x2 y2. So how will come the distance? x2 is 1, right? Square root of 1 minus x1. What is x1?
Root 2 plus 1.
Root 2 plus 1 all square, then plus y2 minus y1. What is y2?
Minus root 2 minus 2.
2 minus root 2 minus 2 all square. Okay. So how will come next step? Square root of, okay, 1 minus root 2 minus plus 1. So that will be 1 minus root 2 minus 1, and you can cancel 1 and minus 1. When you give the minus to the each terms inside the bracket, it will become minus 1 and you can cancel it, and the remaining will be minus root 2 square. Minus root 2 square will be inside, minus root 2 will be inside the bracket all square, plus what's the next term? 2 and minus 2 will be cancelled, and say minus root 2 square will be there. Okay. So next step, root 2 square and minus root 2 square are same. What is minus root 2 square?
2.
2, right?
2.
You can cancel root and square, and negative square of negative also same as square of the positive. Minus root 2 square and root 2 square are same. And root 2 square we know 2. Okay. And here also 2. So root 2 plus 2. Root 2 plus 2 is root 4, and that is 2. Okay, now the second question. I hope this is clear, the first question. Okay. So now we can look at the second question. Second question is, we have discussed a similar question textbook, also in some exercise question. Okay, so here 0, 2 is equidistant from 2 points 3k and k5. So we can take the distance from, suppose this is A and suppose this is B and C, this is C. We can write that AB is equal to AC, because the A is equidistant from B and C. Okay, so taking the squares, you can write AB square is equal to AC square. What is AB square here? We can remove the all root, because we are taking the square. 3 minus 0 square, 3 minus 0 square plus k minus 2, right? K minus 2 all square. So next AC square, how will come? AC square. Total, we can give name A, B and C, the points. What will be AC square?
K minus 0 square.
K minus 0 square plus 5 minus 2 all square. 5 minus 2 all square, okay. Next step, 3 minus 0 square means 3 square. That is 9. Plus k minus 2 whole square. So k minus 2 square whole square you want to expand. So how will come? K minus 2 whole square, how will come?
K square plus
Yes.
minus k.
Minus, okay, k square.
2 in
Yes, 2 into, okay, then
square minus k plus
minus 4k will come, then plus 2 square will come, right? Plus 2 square means 4, and the middle term you can write in the end, no problem. That is last minus 4k, okay, minus 4k is equal to, in the right side, k minus 0 means k, so k square, plus 5 minus 2 square means 3 square.
9.
3 square.
9.
Is 9. So you can cancel 9, and also you can cancel k squares. Okay, this minus 4k you move to right. So you'll get to 4 is equal to 4k. So what will be k? 4
One.
into 4
One.
is equal
One.
to 1. Okay, is equal to 1. Okay.